Guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to fix Instagram disabled account. So the answer is easy. Just go to the settings and then scroll down to the apps. Okay, and now go to the search and search on Instagram. Okay, and now next go to the storage, and here as you see we'll find this clear cache. Click on it and go check it if it works. If it didn't work, you can try to restart the phone, and if it didn't work again you can maybe try to clear data. Be careful, when you gotta clear data you will lose all your data and all your stuff. So that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.